Artspace Review, New Art Kit on the Block. Artificial intelligence art is all the rage, and there seems to be new software released weekly. Artspace is a new AI drawing platform that claims users can create their own unique art in just a few seconds. I did purchase a lifetime license for Artspace as it was heavily discounted and it has unlimited use. With features like in-painting, out-painting, and seed image variants, you get access to advanced tools used by the AI art platforms. Artspace.ai is a brand new AI drawing tool from designer Nico Engler, who is also the creator of Closer's Copy. With Artspace, you can use text prompts along with seed images to create AI art. Artspace benefits are easy to use. Image in-painting/out-painting. Discounted lifetime deal available. Artspace offers its users advanced features that allow drawings to be made in only a few clicks, simplifying the process of producing high-quality art. When you buy a license for Artspace, you get access to unlimited usage of the platform. There are no monthly limits or additional credits to purchase. Using a seed image. One of the coolest features of Artspace is the ability to use a seed image to help guide the AI when it is processing a drawing. You still need to feed Artspace some text prompts, but it will also use the seed image you provide to assist during the rendering process. In-painting. In-painting is the process of redrawing parts of an AI drawing that have already been rendered. Out-painting. Once your AI drawing has been rendered, you can use out-painting to add more to the scene. Artspace pricing. Artspace is running a special introductory offer, giving new users the chance to purchase a lifetime license. Why not give Artspace a try? See a link in the comments.